In this video, I'll give you some data formatting tips to achieve the best possible results with QI macros. We'll cover horizontal versus vertical layouts, headings, common formatting mistakes, and summarizing or subtotaling. Most calendars show time horizontally. Should your data be horizontal too? QI macros can handle horizontal data and vertical data. Vertical layouts are best, but why? In Excel, you're limited to 255 horizontal columns, but Excel has over 65,000 vertical rows, so you don't need to worry about running out of room for your data. Let's talk about headings. Every column and every row should have a unique and meaningful heading. Avoid selecting 2 columns of labels, and avoid selecting 2 rows of headings. Doing so can skew your calculations and your chart. Instead, select your data and just 1 column of labels and 1 row of headings. Don't separate the words of your headings into separate cells. Instead, keep each heading in one cell. You can resize your columns to accommodate your labels, or you can use Excel's Wrap Text option. Highlight your labels, right-click, select Format Data, click the Alignment tab, and click Wrap Text. Be careful about hiding columns or rows, as this will not exclude them from your QI macros chart. As you can see here, column D is hidden, but when we run the chart, there it is in the chart data and calculations. Specify a format for your data. Excel formats most numbers as general, not number. If you do not specify a format, Excel will choose one for you. Highlight your data, right-click, select Format Cells, set your preferences, and click OK. If you have time series data, don't put it side by side. Instead, stack it into one column. Also, avoid putting time periods on separate worksheets. Instead, keep your data on one worksheet. To simplify data selection for charting, avoid putting subtotals in the same column as your data. You may select them by mistake. Instead, place your subtotals to the right of your data. So what did we learn? Vertical layouts are best. Each column and row should have a meaningful heading, and you should avoid merging cells, selecting 2 rows or columns of headings, placing data on separate worksheets, and subtotaling or summarizing in line with your data.